14 people, 7 adults and 7 children. We don't know their names. These facial reconstructions give us a clue as to what they may have looked like.
The way they were buried was in very plain pine coffins.
Experts like Lisa Anderson, curator of bioarchaeology at the State Museum, believe they were slaves who belonged to Albany's prominent Schuyler family in the 18th century.
The adults, a number of them were of African ancestry.
The bones of the deceased slaves have primarily been housed at the museum since their discovery more than a decade ago. Anderson used the adult bones, along with documents like census data, runaway slave posters, and even a memoir to paint a picture of their lives.
All of them worked fairly hard throughout their entire lives. So even the youngest woman had signs of arthritis.
Slavery is a system that can rear its ugly head if we don't really have a dialogue.
Evelyn King heads the Schuyler Flats Burial Ground Project. The group has organized a memorial in mid-June before the former slaves will be buried one last time at St. Agnes Cemetery.
We had to right a wrong.
Kelly Grimaldi is a historian at St. Agnes Cemetery and an organizer of the Slave Reburial Project. She says the slaves, in their death, brought an entire community of people of various ethnicities together.
They drew an entire community together, binding us together for a common purpose, and that is to bury them with dignity and respect.
The respect that they didn't get when they were alive.